The job description of a change manager centers around guiding organizations through transitions by designing, implementing, and overseeing change initiatives that align with strategic goals. Change managers are essential professionals who ensure that individuals, teams, and organizations adapt smoothly and effectively to operational, structural, technological, or cultural shifts. They work across sectors such as corporate enterprises, healthcare systems, IT firms, public institutions, and nonprofits to mitigate resistance, reduce disruption, and boost the success rate of change efforts. As organizations constantly evolve to stay competitive or improve performance, change managers step in to plan and facilitate transitions. Whether it involves introducing new software, restructuring departments, merging companies, or redefining workflows, the change manager's role is to anticipate challenges, communicate clearly, and support people throughout the change process. Their expertise helps preserve productivity, sustain morale, and ensure that changes are accepted and embedded into the organization's culture. Change managers work closely with leadership teams, project managers, HR professionals, and communication specialists. They act as a bridge between decision-makers and employees by translating strategic objectives into actionable steps and making sure the human element of change is not overlooked. Their work requires a deep understanding of change management methodologies, emotional intelligence, and a strong focus on stakeholder engagement. Key responsibilities of a change manager. The responsibilities of a change manager begin with assessing the scope and impact of the change. Before any strategy is deployed, they perform organizational readiness assessments, identify stakeholders, and analyze potential risks or barriers. This initial groundwork allows change managers to design a tailored change management plan, which may include communication strategies, training sessions, and feedback mechanisms. Communication is at the core of every change manager's duties. They must develop clear and persuasive messaging that explains the purpose of the change, what it involves, and how it will affect employees. These messages are delivered through presentations, email updates, intranet postings, or face-to-face meetings. By providing transparency and addressing concerns, change managers help reduce uncertainty and foster trust. A central part of the job description involves coordinating with various departments to ensure alignment and consistency in change efforts. Change managers often work with project managers to integrate change plans into overall project timelines. They may also collaborate with HR to address staffing impacts, with IT for technical implementations, and with training teams to develop learning materials for new systems or processes. Training and support play a significant role in helping people adjust to change. Change managers are responsible for designing support programs such as workshops, user guides, Q&A forums, or coaching sessions. These tools help ensure that employees have the skills and knowledge to adopt new behaviors or tools confidently. Monitoring progress and evaluating success are equally important. Change managers track adoption rates, employee feedback, and key performance indicators to determine whether the change is taking root. When necessary, they revise strategies, address resistance, and re-engage stakeholders to sustain momentum. Throughout the lifecycle of a change project, documentation is vital. Change managers must maintain records of plans, decisions, communications, feedback, and outcomes. These documents help demonstrate accountability and can inform future change initiatives. Skills and qualities required for success. To be effective in their role, change managers need a blend of interpersonal, analytical, and organizational skills. One of the most critical competencies is emotional intelligence, the ability to understand and manage one's emotions and those of others. Change often brings uncertainty and stress, and a skilled change manager can empathize with stakeholders and respond with sensitivity. Communication skills are paramount. Change managers must be able to craft clear, compelling narratives that inspire support and understanding. They must also be active listeners, open to questions and concerns from employees at all levels. Strategic thinking is crucial. Change managers should be able to see the bigger picture while also managing the detailed steps of implementation. They need to anticipate how different groups will be affected by the change and devise proactive strategies to address challenges. Project management capabilities are beneficial, as change managers often operate in complex, fast-paced environments. The ability to manage timelines, prioritize tasks, and coordinate resources is key to ensuring smooth transitions. A strong grasp of change management frameworks, such as IDCAR, Kotter's 8-step process, or Lewin's change model, is essential. These methodologies guide the structure and execution of change initiatives and offer a proven foundation for driving results. Adaptability and resilience are also important. Not every change effort goes according to plan, and change managers must remain flexible, calm under pressure, and committed to finding solutions when obstacles arise. Work environment and professional challenges. The work environment of a change manager varies widely depending on the industry and project scope. In large organizations, change managers may be part of a dedicated transformation office, while in smaller companies, they may work within project or HR teams. They typically operate in office settings, though hybrid or remote work is increasingly common, especially when change initiatives involve digital transformation. Travel may be required if the organization operates across multiple sites. In such cases, change managers visit different branches to facilitate face-to-face engagement and ensure consistent implementation. The role comes with its set of challenges. Change managers often face resistance from employees who are comfortable with existing ways of working. Overcoming skepticism and inertia requires patience, diplomacy, and well-timed interventions. In some cases, changes may involve layoffs, restructuring, or budget cuts, which can generate fear or dissatisfaction. Navigating such emotionally charged environments calls for tact, ethical conduct, and a strong moral compass. Despite these challenges, many change managers find the role highly rewarding. They get to influence the future direction of their organizations, improve workflows, and help people develop new skills. Each successful transition is a testament to their ability to lead, support, and inspire others during times of uncertainty. Halfway through the exploration of this role, it's vital to highlight that the job description of a change manager goes beyond planning procedures. It is about managing emotions, fostering alignment, and steering human behavior toward transformation with purpose and clarity. Education, background, and career growth. A bachelor's degree in business administration, organizational psychology, communications, or human resources is typically required for a career in change management. Many employers prefer candidates with a master's degree or relevant certifications such as ProSci Certified Change Practitioner, Change Management Professional, CCMP, or PMP with change management focus. In addition to academic qualifications, practical experience in project management, HR, training, or organizational development can serve as a valuable foundation. Many change managers begin their careers in related roles before transitioning into dedicated change leadership positions. Ongoing learning is important. Professionals are expected to keep pace with evolving methodologies, digital tools, and leadership practices. Networking with other change leaders and participating in workshops or webinars can support continuous growth. With experience, change managers can move into senior roles such as change director, transformation consultant, or head of organizational development. In some cases, they may branch out into independent consulting or specialize in change initiatives within specific industries like healthcare, education, or finance. Conclusion. The job description of a change manager reflects a dynamic and people-centered profession. These professionals are the driving force behind successful transformations, ensuring that organizations adapt thoughtfully and effectively to evolving needs. Through their strategic planning, empathetic leadership, and commitment to continuous improvement, change managers play a pivotal role in shaping resilient and forward-thinking workplaces. For those passionate about guiding others through transitions, solving complex problems, and making a tangible impact on organizational success, the role of a change manager offers a fulfilling and meaningful career path.